How's it going? It's just a quick walkthrough video of my 1990 320i 4-door 5-speed manual. It's a lovely day out here. I have the doors and everything opened to let it air out all the moisture taken up over the winter months. The boot is a bit messy. As you can see, kind of brown cloth interior. And yes, I'm not different. My driver's seat is ripped as well, in a bad condition. It's not on top of the priority list, but yes, it is there. What else? Look, I give it a quick clean, not a quick, actually deep clean. I took out the carpet and everything. It's well put back together now. Have the bonnet or hood or whatever opened, just to give it a look. Yes, the brake booster is rusted. First of all, we appreciate the lovely day. There's a 2-litre engine, not in the best form, but we're getting there. Had to fix a few bits before. What else? Should we take it for a drive? I'll make a separate video on that. Just to sit in. It's about 153,000 miles. No radio. We have to put it at some stage. I might blank it for the time being. I'm doing other stuff, and we'll give it a quick start. Rev counter had to be fixed. Just a quick tip, either check the fuse number 5 or it's fuse 21 if I'm not wrong. And it took me a long time to figure out this wire, which is there for something, was shorting it out. Yes, the cover is there. I'm not going to open it because it's not in the best form. It's not as satisfying, so we'll leave it at that. There are a few tools missing and rusted and stuff. Have to get it fixed. And that's about it. We'll make a different video for a drive sometime. And what I've planned is few suspension upgrades, brakes, either upgrade them or at least improve them because they're not in the best form. Get the valve clearance fixed because we can definitely hear the tapping sound. What else? The brake booster stuff needs to be fixed. The sunroof seal, as we call it, and the sunroof itself is not in the best form, but we'll get there. That's all the beauty of owning one of these. But I love it. I try to drive it every day, especially when I don't have my second car at the moment. I'm driving it as much as I can and keep her on her toes, as this is what they call it. That's about it really. We'll give a few revs. I have her warmed up anyway. Yes, the typewriter noise is there. It's all stock. There's no exhaust changed, nothing changed. Nearly out of the factory. Even the brake pads and everything still needs to be changed, of course, which I'm going to do. I don't have it for so long. I'm only gonna get familiar myself. And I suppose we end this video here, and hopefully y'all like it and let me know what you think or what should be done. Yeah, she's sitting fairly high. I'll give a view from the other side. Definitely needs to be lowered. Give a quick side view. The doors close maybe. And yes, that needs to be fixed. And it's coming up to 5 minutes, and that was it. If I missed something, let me know, and we'll get into it. Definitely the exhaust, the engine service with oil change and valve clearance and stuff, suspension, brakes, and a small fittings in the front for the lights, and the sunroof seat, which I have actually at the home delivered, a brand new piece. But this is probably the thing I'm going to get on to next. Alright, so take it easy, enjoy the lovely weather, stay safe.